Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing super simple Christmassy winter design. I was actually inspired by my own snow because I was inspired by snow. It's been snowing like crazy where I live. It totally surprised us with such a snow and it's freezing cold outside. I actually included a little clip. You will see it in the video, but I'm starting with painting my nails red. You can use any red of your choice. And here is the snow and my little dogs. I mean, they love snow so much, so I had to film them. But here you can see how it actually snowed, and I was totally inspired by creating this look. So we're going to take some white nail polish and apply it on the tip of your nail, like totally representing the snow. You don't want to make this even like a French tip. You want to make it like mountains covered with snow, so just apply it like so, and then we're going to use a dotting tool and create a little dots. You can use a toothpick for this as well. This is totally representing like snowing, and you're gonna create smaller and bigger dots depending on how you like it. And I'm totally doing it at random, and on my ring finger I just stamped on some tree, like Christmas tree, and then added some dots around it to represent the snow, and then added a little bit of snow at the bottom of my tree, and that's basically it. Then I'm going to top it off with some glossy top coat to make sure that everything is nice and shiny and protected, and there you go, you're all set and ready to go. I absolutely love how easy it is to do this design, and I think anyone can do it. You don't need any tools, any special tools, because you can use a toothpick for it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!